Okay, let's find some more cool things that we can do with arrays. Let's create a new file. And we're going to begin with our import statement, javax.swing.star. That brings in, once again, the Swing Technology graphics package. And I want to look that up because we can change to another type of JOption pane. So if I just Google the Java API, which stands for Application Programming Interface, and it's really just a library of everything that we can import that's been pre-created for us. Advanced programmers can create their own items that they can import, but we're not at that level. So I'm going to find the JOption pane. Click on that. It's going to bring up all sorts of things. One we didn't mess with yet is the showOption dialog. So I'm going to go down, and they usually have some examples. They're always not the greatest, though. And here it looks like one. No, that's not it. JOption pane. Well, anywhere they're out there. So there's one. So I'm going to copy this and put it in my program. Public class. I'll call this fancy JOption. Got my closing brace, my main method. I'm just going to paste that code in there. I'll save this. And let's compile and see what it does. All right, so it looks like a show message dialog box, but the advantage here is with an array we can change what buttons and add more buttons, give us a lot more control. So if you notice, I'll spread this out a bit, we have an array of objects called options, and we're going to learn about objects next. One object, what we already have, is a JOption pane. So we're going to add some different types of buttons. Yes, no, self-destruct. So what we have here, JOption pane, showOption dialog, and this is null because it's not part of any other program. And you'll notice that this is the text that appears in the box. That's probably up on the title bar. And warning message, I think that's going to be the icon. And it's going to show our options. And I think this means this, when we run it, let's look and see if the OK button is already pre-selected, so we could just hit enter. So you could change that to 1 if you wanted cancel, 2 if you wanted yes to be the default choice. So yes, so notice this one's sort of highlighted. So we can then use these, if we wanted, with if statements to have our program do something else like that. You can also use drop-down lists if you want as well. That's something you'd have to look online for. So send me a screenshot when you get this one done.